Is your Wi-Fi acting up? Slow speeds, no internet, or random disconnections? Don't worry, before you call your internet provider or buy a new router, try these easy troubleshooting steps that anyone can do at home. So, let's get started. First, the classic fix. Restart your router and modem. Unplug both from the power source and wait about 30 seconds. Then, plug them back in. This simple step often clears up temporary glitches and restores stable connection. Now, if problems still exist, open your device manager, select network adapter, and choose your Wi-Fi card or adapter. Right-click, select property, and in value, just select auto. Now in driver section, click rollback driver, then update driver. After updating, you can restart your PC. And there we go, simple steps to troubleshoot Wi-Fi issues without needing a tech expert. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.